Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of Bluestacks or it's not working well on your PC, today we are ranking the best Bluestacks alternatives from the least helpful to the most recommended for gaming apps and development. Let's dive in. We're starting with the lowest to the highest, so we start with number 7. Yeah, this one is the least recommended ARCom. It runs on Coleman. Coming at number 7 is ARCom. This isn't a traditional emulator, it runs Android apps through the Chrome browser. It's lightweight and doesn't need installation, but it's limited in performance, doesn't support all APKs out of the box, and it isn't great for game. It's best only if you want to quickly test basic apps with minimal setup. At number 6, we have Remix OS Player. Although it's no longer actively maintained and based on Android's Marshmallow, it can still run many old apps reliably. If your PC is older or you need a simple Android interface without many bells and whistles, this can still work. Just expect outdated Android support. Coming at coming at number 5, up next is Game Loop, good for transit games. An Android emulator, Game Loop's an Android emulator originally built by Tencent for games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile. It offers key mapping and good performance for supported games, but it focuses mainly on gaming, doesn't handle general Android apps as well as others. So you can try it out. Good for trusted games. Game Loop only for Windows only. At number 4 is Jenny Motion. This one is best for developers. Not really designed for gamers, but excellent for developers. It supports different Android versions, visual sensors, and integrates with Android Studio for testing apps. If you are developing or debugging apps, this is a solid choice, but for gaming or casual use, it feels an overkill. Then at number 3, we have Memo Play. Memo Play is, in a way, it's a general all-round emulator that supports multiple instances, runs both games and apps smoothly, and offers advanced features like custom key mapping. Performance is strong even on mid-range PCs, making it an ideal choice if you want a balance between gaming and productivity. So you can try it out. It's an all-round emulator. We have at number 2 here is Momo Player, and it has usually has a strong performance, good compatibility, an emulator from NetEase. NetEase that does it, and it delivers excellent performance and stability for both apps and games. It supports multiple instances, customizable resolution and memory settings, and keyboard controls. This one feels smoother and more modern than most alternatives. Then at number 1, this one is the best alternative to BlueStacks LD player. Final number LD player, best overall alternative, arguably the best overall alternative to BlueStacks in 2026. optimized for gaming, excellent performance, high FPS support, keyboard and mouse mapping, and frequent updates. It's lightweight compared to BlueStacks, yet powerful enough for demanding titles. So there you have it as number one. The best number one, there you have it. The best alternative to BlueStacks is LD Player. Another bonus, as a bonus, there's Nox Player, stable and has various features. Neos Player is reliable, user-friendly Android emulator with Windows and Mac OS. It offers strong performance for gaming and app usage with features like keyboard mapping, gamepad support, multi-instance mode, and optional root access. Neos Player runs smoothly on most mid-range PCs and supports popular games like PUBG Mobile and Free Fire, while it may feel slightly heavier than some newer emulators and shows occasional adds. Stability and fidelity makes it a solid BlueStacks alternative. So in conclusion, which emulator would you try? Kindly comment below. So that's our ranking of BlueStacks alternatives from the least practical to the best choice overall. If you want development tools, go with Genymotion for balanced performance, pick Memo Player, and if you are about smooth gaming performance, LD Player is your top pick. So which one will you pick? Which one will you try? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more tech guides. Thank you until the next video. See you next time.